Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make a dread. I'm going to show you on an extension, but you can also use these extensions if you find that your dreads aren't long enough or if you want to add a little bit more volume. I'll show you how to make a dreadlock. I collect hair from friends. I have a lot of friends that are performers and they have a lot of wigs, and once their wigs get kind of ratty or if they don't want them anymore, I take them. My other friend cuts her hair every summer, and she has this beautiful white hair, so she gives me her hair that I make into dreadlocks. So this is what you're going to start off with. Brush it through. And what I do is I'll put something on Netflix or put some music on because you're going to be there for a while. Don't leave your wig bag open because your cat will play with it. So brush that out. I got these at Sally's. You can get them anywhere. And it comes with a lot of them. I get just the hair that doesn't have any clips on it, but you can use ones that have clips. If it has something that is keeping the hair together, that's a lot easier, or you can put a tie around it so that it's all together because you're going to be pulling at it. So what I do is I put it between my knees. If you have like a head or something, you know, like one of those wig heads, you can pin it, but I just put it between my knees, hold on tight, works at your inner thighs, and then you're just gonna start pulling. So you take two parts of the hair and pull. Then I flip it again, make it into two parts and pull. And you're going to continue to do that until you get a dreadlock. It may not feel like it's doing anything for a while, but just continue at it and it will work. That's what I did for all of mine. So this is, of course, easier when it's on your head, but just for the video I want to show you because I pretty much have all my hair that I want dreaded. But if you did want to extend it, like I put one here, and I'll show you how to do that too. I think I may have done this in another video, but I just attached it to an existing dreadlock so that it just created more, because I have very thin hair and I don't have a lot of hair, but I like big hair. So continue, cut it in half, turn it halfway, not halfway, quarter of the way. And then you will start to get this dread. It's not going to be perfect right now. It's going to be a little bit loose and frayed, but I will show you the tool that I use to collect all of those little hairs. You want to pull it pretty tight. I didn't put any product in it. It's not necessary. I like to leave the hair natural at the ends. I just like different textures. So I'll leave that, and you can also just do the length that you want, and then you can trim off the ends. So this is pretty long, but depending on what you want. So let me get my little tool. This is called a Lock-Docta. I'll link it below. But this, you can use a crochet hook. I never had much luck with a crochet hook, so this has really saved me, and it's also easy for me to tighten, or when my hair starts to grow, I can go in and dread it a lot easier with this. So this is just a thin needle. It comes with the apparatus and a few of these, because you will break them after a while. I've gone through quite a few of them. But what you do is, once you have it dreaded the way that you like, to get these little hairs to go into the dreadlock, I just wrap it around the dread, and then you just start going in and out. Be careful with your fingers, because it is a needle, so it will prick you. But just keep doing this for the length of or how tight you want the dreadlock to be. So just do this all the way down. The needle has a tooth to it, so as you're pushing in the hairs, it's pushing through and then pulling hair back into itself. So it's really tightening it up. So as you can see, it's already making a huge difference in a short amount of time. And then depending on how tight you want it, you can continue to make it tighter and tighter. And also depending on the thickness of the dread that you want, if you wanted less thickness, I have, this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual, I don't know what these are called. But if you wanted a thinner dreadlock, you can always just take away a few of these and just do it with less hair. And I'll do it on one side, turn it, do it on the other side, just so it's all gets in there nicely. Ow, I just pricked myself. So once you have the dreadlock the way that you want it, like I said, this is either going to be already attached to your hair because this is your natural hair, or if you wanted to use extension and just add it into your own hair. If you're using an extension, trim off the top piece, because you're not going to use this. That was just keeping it all together. And what I would do is then wrap that looser hair around your existing dreadlock, and then take the Lock-Docta, that little tool, and then you can easily attach it. Just make sure that you attach it pretty well, or else you'll just be sitting down and then, or lying, sleeping, and wake up and you'll have your dreadlocks next to you, which has happened. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching and watching all the way through to the end. Please like and subscribe. By subscribing to my channel, you're supporting me and my channel, so that is very important to me and it is greatly appreciated. If you do your own dreadlocks, I'd love to hear about it. Please leave a comment down below and tell me how it worked out, or if you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video.